Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. This is critical. Next, remove visible screws and pry out the door panel gently, lifting the trim off clips while supporting the panel so it doesn't bend. Once the panel is loose, peel back the water barrier and lower the window a bit to access the regulator and actuator. This makes the actuator reachable. Make sure to keep fasteners organized so reassembly is straightforward and you don't lose any small clips. Once you can reach the actuator, unplug its electrical connector and label it to avoid confusion later. Then remove the mounting bolts, typically 3, while supporting the actuator because it can shift. After bolts are out, disengage the actuator from the lock linkage or regulator arm. You may need to rotate the mechanism slightly to free the splines. Carefully work the actuator out through the access hole, watching for trapped clips or foam. This prevents tearing the vapor barrier. Inspect the regulator and latch for wear before fitting the replacement. Place the new actuator into the cavity, aligning the splines and linkage so it seats without forcing, then install and snug the mounting bolts. Reconnect the electrical plug and temporarily refit the door panel or use a test connection to operate the lock and window. This verifies function before final reassembly. Once confirmed, fully secure the panel, replace trim and screws, and reconnect the battery. If it doesn't work, check the fuse. Confirm 12V at the connector when activated, and ensure the linkage isn't binding. Those are the common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.